Thank you, Angie. Excited to be here again. I'm a big fan of the Girl Geek community and happy to support you as always. So let's get started. Hi, everyone. I am Danielle. I'm the founder of 18C, which helps women in engineering find impactful roles. Today, I'll be sharing a bit more about me, what's new at my company, our mission, and what services we provide. This presentation will be less than 10 minutes, and I'll leave some time for questions at the end. I'll quickly share an agenda for today. We'll start with covering more about my background, jump into the 18C mission and services, what's new on the partnership side, and some of our open roles. I'll also cover our services and how to sign up. A bit about me, I've been in recruiting for 12 years. 10 of those have been at startups and larger tech companies from 2 people to 5,000 people. I got my start in executive recruiting in the higher education and nonprofit industry. And since then, I've been specialized in engineering recruiting at fast growing companies like Square, Waymo, Lyft, Blend, and Fitbit. I've also taken on leadership roles as the head of talent at a few early stage ventures and advise and build communities for technical women. Outside of work, I'm a big dog lover, an avid yogi. I've also been teaching yoga for fun for about 10 years, and I love to be active. A bit more about why I started 18C. I grew up with a strong interest in tech. My mom was a software engineer. I used to go to work with her in San Francisco as a kid, and I remember being her being the only woman on her floor. I continued to see this imbalance the further I got into tech, and I've noticed the impact that this has had on a lot of the women that I've worked with, their ability to get ahead and to ask for what they deserve. I'm really passionate about bringing more balance to the technology sector, and some of the best businesses that I've worked with have really prioritized diversity in hiring. I'm also very passionate about helping women ask for and get the compensation they deserve, and really helping them feel more confident in their job search, which is why I love salary negotiation coaching so much. The 18C name is short for 18 cents, which, believe it or not, has been the average difference between what women and men make in the US per dollar for the last 20 years. And I've been operating 18C for about a year, and I'm excited to share some updates on what's new a bit later. So a bit more about our services and what we offer for women in engineering. Our current services are primarily centered on helping technical women through job search support. So we do this through introductions to roles that match their preferences, negotiation coaching, community and Slack supports, and professional branding opportunities via our podcast. A newer update, I'm partnering with an amazing hiring marketplace called Leopard.fyi that has over 70 clients and an amazing tech stack and Slack community to bring you even more jobs. Leopard has over 1,000 women on its platform and is a great resource for preparing for a job hunt, finding community while you search for a new role. I'm happy to answer more on this partnership. I'm very excited about it towards the end of the presentation. Our job search support process involves a few quick steps. This is where the Leopard partnership really comes into play. So you can sign up through the Leopard network using the code 18C or apply to a role on my website. From there, we'll reach out to schedule a call. We'll get to know you, what matters to you. We'll create a bio for you on the platform, and then we'll add you to the Leopard Slack channel to share new roles as they come in and find you a match. Through this partnership, you'll get introduced directly to the hiring teams and also get access to their larger Slack community. I'll quickly flash a few of our open roles so you can get a sense of the types of businesses I work with. You can see we have a wide range of industries, company sizes, stages on our platform. If you're just starting to think about a search and you're worried about the current job market, working with a search firm really early in your job search is a great way to supplement your job interview pipeline with a wider variety of companies and industries and roles. Negotiation coaching. So our negotiation coaching services support women from start to finish in a job search. We'll get to know you, your unique situation, help you with all of your offer questions, can share a talk script for handling different situations, share relevant market data, and go through a lot of exercises to make sure you're clear on what your goals are before going into your search. Salary negotiation coaching is one of my favorite things to do. I love helping women feel empowered to ask for more and get to that next level of their career. So far, I've helped women get as much as 40K added to their annual cash on an offer or significant improvements on their equity packages. I've also helped navigate level increases or trickier work from home requests. I highly recommend signing up for coaching at the beginning of your search. A successful negotiation really starts the second you start talking to a company. But we do offer quick benchmarking at a much lower price if you do have current offers towards the end of your search. So more on some of these formats for the coaching. So we offer three formats. The first is a 30-minute or hourly coaching session if you need quick feedback on an offer at the end of your search. This is a really good format if you just got an offer, you're feeling overwhelmed, and you want quick advice on how to ask for more. Our second format is a workshop to get clear on your goals. It's something that I do in my personal life annually, but it's really helpful at the beginning of a job search before you have talked to any company or done any interviews to help you get centered on what you're looking for and know how to ask and communicate that clearly. Our most popular format is monthly coaching. I will work with you from start to finish on a job search, from the application stage all the way to signing your offer. I'll help you to really level up your entire career package in your next job. You can see all of our pricing options at the link below at 18cpartners.com/coaching. And last but not least, our upcoming podcast. So we're currently recording, and I've shared a sneak peek of the intro video here, which has been really fun to create. Only 10% of leaders in engineering are women. The 18 Cents podcast really tells the story of some of these influential leaders with the goal of helping to inspire other women to stay in leadership roles. This podcast is also a great way to grow your social media brand, practice public speaking, tell your unique story. So I'm excited to launch the first episode in a few months. So feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn if you have any interest here. And how to get in touch. So that is it for my intro. I'd love to connect with you all, and feel free to add me on LinkedIn.